Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check or how to use coordinates on Google Maps. Okay? So please stay on the video if you're using your phone, your tablet, your laptop, any other devices other than a PC, okay? Especially on your Apple devices or iOS. That being said, please load up Google Maps on any browser of your choosing, may it be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox, even Safari of course. So for example, this one, I'm on Google Maps already, and let's just say I want to search Cape Canaveral. Okay? I'm gonna use Cape Canaveral as what they call this, a reference on this video. For example, to be specific, this Peacock Beach right here, okay? So this is gonna be my landmark, this is gonna be my specific location for my reference. So for example, this is the one I'm trying to get the longitude or the coordinates, right? Simply right click on this one and you'll see these numbers right here, more at the decimal point. These right here are the coordinates itself. So how can we change them on the much more normal term or normal figures or units, right? The one that has a degree and so on and so forth. So simply click on first, as you see it's automatically copied to keyboard, and then paste them on the search bar of your Google Maps. You'll just go back here on Cape Canaveral with the exact coordinates you're looking for, with the northwest or west, north, and the direction of your compass, especially those degrees, right? Anyway, that's how you check coordinates on Google Maps. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Goodbye for now.